Let's take one example on even and odd signals. Sketch even and odd components of the signal shown below. Here one signal is given x of t, which looks like this. We are supposed to calculate even component of this waveform and odd component of this signal or waveform. We know that first let's find the even component of this waveform. We know that even component of the waveform is represented by xc of t is equal to half x of t plus x of minus t. This is the expression of even component of the signal. As we know, in this formula we have x of t, this is the given signal. There is x of minus t. We are supposed to draw x of minus t. X of minus t is derived from x of t applying time reversal. That is, at t equal to 0 to 2, the value of the signal is minus 1. So this same signal will appear on left hand side from 0 to minus 2. Here we can observe from 0 to 2 minus 2 we have a step signal of magnitude 1, and from minus 2 to minus 4 there is a ramp signal. Now we are supposed to represent this signal on right hand side, that is t will become minus t. Now I will try to draw x of minus t. Here we can observe at t equal to 0 the magnitude is minus 1. So at t equal to 0 its value is minus 1. Now at t equal to 1 the amplitude is minus 1. So now we are supposed to represent this on minus 1 side, because x of t is equal to x of minus t. So the amplitude at minus 1 is minus 1. Now at t equal to 2 the value of the signal falls from minus 1 to 0. So here it will be minus 2. Now look at this side. From 0 to minus 2 the amplitude of the signal is 1. So the same thing will appear on right hand side from 0 to 2. Here 0 to 2 the amplitude is plus 1. This is plus 1. Now from minus 2 to minus 4 there is a ramp signal, that is decreasing ramp, that is fallen from 1 to 0. So it should be 2 to 4. So this is x of minus t signal. So now we'll perform x of t plus x of minus t. That is, now we are supposed to add x of t signal with x of minus t signal. Let this be x of t plus x of minus t signal. Here we can observe that at x of t from minus 4 to minus 2 there is a ramp signal, and here we can observe from minus 4 to minus 2 its value is 0. So when we add this signal with 0 we will get the same signal, that is ramp signal, which is minus 4 to minus 2. So this is the minus 4 to minus 2. So till this point we will get the ramp signal. So now at t equal to minus 2 the value of x of t is 1. Here at t equal to minus 2 the amplitude is 0. The value has fallen from minus 1 to 0 here. So upon adding 1 with 0 the amplitude of the signal will be 1. So this point is 1. So amplitude at this point is 1. Now from minus 2 to 0 the amplitude is constant, that is plus 1. Here from minus 2 to 0 its amplitude is minus 1. So this plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. This signal will fall into 0, that is 1 minus 1 will become 0. Now the resultant signal look like this on left hand side. Now here we can observe from t equal to 0 to 2 its amplitude is constant, that is minus 1. Now here from 0 to 2 the amplitude is constant, that is plus 1. So when we add plus 1 with minus 1 the result will be 0. Therefore from from 0 to 2 the result will be 0. This is the 0. Now at t equal to 2, here the value has fallen from -1 to 0. So at t equal to 2 its value is 0. Now at t equal to 2 its value is 1. So when we add 0 with 1, the amplitude will be 1. So here at t equal to 2 we'll get the magnitude as 1. Now from 2 to 4 the amplitude here is 0, that is this is 0, but here at 2 to 4 there exists a ramp signal. So when we add 0 with this signal we'll get the same signal, that is ramp signal. I'll draw here. So here this will be 0. So this is the resultant waveform when we add x of t with x of minus t. Now let's draw the waveform for xc of t, that is even component of t, that is 1 by 2 x of t plus x of minus t. Already we have found x of t plus x of minus t. Now we have to divide this signal by 2. Dividing by 2 is nothing but dividing the amplitude by 2. So here the amplitude is 1, it will become 1 by 2. The same signal will appear. I'll draw here. 3, 4. So it will be, here amplitude is 1. Now we are supposed to take the amplitude as 1 by 2. So here it is. So this is the resultant waveform, that is xc of t. This is t. Now let's draw the waveform for odd component of the signal, that is xo of t. We know that odd component of the signal is represented by equation as xo of t is equal to half x of t minus x of minus t. So here already we have x of t signal and here we have x of minus t signal. Now we supposed to subtract x of minus t signal from x of t. Here we can observe that in x of t the value of the signal from -4 to -2, it is a ramp signal as here shown, and in this signal at x of minus t from -4 to -2 its value is 0. So when we subtract this 0 from this ramp we'll get the same ramp signal. The same thing, the same wave will appear here. I'll draw here. So now from -4 to 2 the amplitude, the same waveform appears, that is ramp signal. Now at t equal to -2 its magnitude is 1, and here at t equal to -2 its magnitude has become -1 to 0. So when we subtract 0 with 1 we'll get the amplitude as 1. So at this point at t equal to -2 the amplitude of the signal is 1. Now from -2 to 0 the amplitude of this signal is 1. Here at -2 to 0 the amplitude of the signal is -1, which is constant. Now subtracting this signal from this, that is 1 minus of -1 will become 2. So the value of the signal, resultant signal from -2 to 0, it will be 2. Now here we can observe at t equal to 0 the magnitude of signal is 1 here. At t equal to 0 its magnitude is 1. So 1 minus 1 it will be 0. So at t equal to 0 the value of the signal is 0, which is shown here. Now from 0 to 2 the amplitude of this signal is -1. Here from 0 to 2 the amplitude of the signal is +1. So when we add -1 with -1, that is when we subtract this from this, that is -1 minus of +1, that is -1 minus 1 is minus 2. So from my 0 to 2, its value will be minus 2. Now at t equal to 2, its value is plus 1. At t equal to 2, its value has become 0. That is fallen from minus 1 to 0. So 0 minus 1 will become minus 1. So the signal will go down to minus 1 here. This is minus 1 value. So now from t greater than 2 to 4, its value is 0. Now t greater than 2 to 4, its value is the ramp signal. So when we subtract this from this signal, it will be the ramp signal, that is minus of ramp. So here it will be appear from 0 to 2 to 4, it appears like this. So this is the x of t minus x of minus t waveform, that is x of t minus of x of minus t. Now let's draw the waveform for xo of t, that is odd component of x of t. The odd component is same as this one. Here the amplitude will be divided by 2. So this point will appear, the resultant amplitude will be 2 divided by 2, that is 1, and here it will be 0.5, and here it will be minus 1, and here it will be minus 1 by 2. Rest all things will be appear as it is. I'll draw here. So here it appears like this. So this is xo of t, that is from here to here, this one, and here to here, this one. So upon adding the even component of the signal, that is xc of t, with xo of t, we will get back the same signal, that is x of t. Thank you for watching.